shoes. These shoes are cool. I choose these ones. These are the ones I like. This is my mum. My mum is all about shoes.
Well, let's see what size you are and then we'll give them a go, eh? So these shoes have got insoles in them that come out, they're not glued in, so it makes it really easy. In there. Can I have this foot read, please? Thank you. Slide that in there.
I never have to tie them up.
Put that down, zip that up. How does that one feel?
Good.
Does it feel too tight?
No.
Can you feel any rubbing or anything?
No.
No, so they feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Stand up for me, Reed. How do those feel?
These ones are really good.
Do you like those ones the best?
Yeah, thank you, Mum.
You're welcome.